Cooking enthusiasts understand that achieving authentic Asian cuisine flavors requires the right cookware. This Yosukata carbon steel wok pan delivers a combination of functionality, durability, and authentic culinary experience that makes it a must-have for every kitchen. This 13.5-inch flat-bottom wok brings the rich flavors of Chinese and Japanese cuisines into your home with ease. In this review, we'll dive deep into its features, benefits, and why it stands out among its competitors. Why choose the Yosukata carbon steel wok? Number 1. Genuine taste. Cooking with the Yosukata wok ensures that your dishes burst with authentic flavors. Its design locks in the juices and essence of your ingredients, allowing you to create restaurant-quality meals at home. Whether you're stir-frying vegetables or preparing traditional noodle dishes, this wok enhances every recipe. Imagine serving sizzling, stir-fried dishes with the exact taste you remember from your favorite Asian restaurant. This wok makes it possible. Number 2. Pre-seasoned excellence. Unlike most unseasoned woks, the Yosukata carbon steel wok is pre-seasoned at over 600-degree freeze. This feature saves you time while providing an even cooking surface. Of course, it requires occasional seasoning to maintain its performance, but the initial pre-seasoning sets the stage for long-lasting usability. The pre-seasoned coating means fewer worries about food sticking during your first use, giving you confidence in the kitchen. Number 3. Heavy-duty, high-quality materials. Crafted from black carbon steel, this wok is built to endure years of culinary adventures. The wooden handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, even during extended cooking sessions. Whether you're stir-frying, braising, or deep-frying, the Yosukata wok delivers reliable performance. Its sturdy design ensures even heat distribution, which is essential for perfect stir-fries. Features that elevate your cooking game. Number 1. Flat-bottom design. The flat-bottom base compatibles compatibility with all stove types, including induction, gas, and electric stoves. It provides stability while cooking, making it easier to manage high-heat recipes without spills. Number 2. Versatility. This wok isn't just for stir-frying. You can use it for braising, deep-frying, steaming, and even outdoor grilling. Its adaptability allows you to explore a wide range of cooking techniques with one pan. Number 3. Ergonomic wooden handle. The wooden handle remains cool to the touch, allowing for safe handling even when cooking at high temperatures. The secure grip helps prevent accidental slips, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. Number 4. Easy storage. With its lightweight and convenient design, the Yosukata wok is easy to store. The handle also includes a hanging hole for space-saving storage solutions. Cooking with the Yosukata wok. Imagine whipping up a quick stir-fry or experimenting with traditional Chinese dumplings. This wok makes it easier to handle complex recipes with precision. Its large 13.5-inch size is perfect for families or entertaining guests. The wok's wide diameter lets you cook more food in less time, keeping everyone at the dinner table satisfied. How to maintain your Yosukata wok. To ensure long-lasting performance, regular maintenance is essential. After each use, clean the wok with warm water and a soft sponge. Avoid using harsh detergents, as they can strip the seasoning. Dry the wok immediately and apply a thin layer of oil to protect it from rust. Proper care guarantees that your wok will be a lifelong partner in your culinary journey. Why the Yosukata wok is perfect for you. This wok is ideal for home cooks passionate about Asian cuisine, beginners looking to invest in quality cookware, anyone who loves experimenting with versatile cooking techniques. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook exploring new flavors, the Yosukata wok is your gateway to authentic Asian cooking. Conclusion. This Yosukata carbon steel wok pan is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a culinary investment. Its blend of authentic taste, durable construction, and versatile design makes it a standout choice for anyone who values quality in their cooking. With this wok, you can master the art of Asian cuisine right in your home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.